Adorye, share my main cousin much low. Penny for boo baby say, Penny bonny or ten fuma and qualarin and canon. Ye can carry for account be. And I answer Yabo aquada and sending me open quasia. Penny honey the aquada dini. Who say,
Mame Mao Akwaba and found Ghana in some TVGH so or frame Adorye searching. I was for Mr. Sunday and no first time out the extra Mr. was subscribing me a notification bell also for more news. I was for NPP full and on the warning way Emma Papa you going no Hopeson Adorye. NPP full American Charles I nice straw. Commenting that screen is on me and yamna me kind some one casawa under that comment section. And obede and same way akwato wo mo chesa won ancestral
sa party na gu sa hu dem no the whole Ghana o mo de kam mankofo e de ba so hu ni pe bai ana oni ni agigro mo nyansa ni ba no because among for elections one for when ma metra ye be campaign
to mo nyina mo gina so nyina hu so be elections
obi election Ada South the move ankasa no. Organizers no na bi mu no omo de peska koyo omo national election.
That's right. Omo de peska.
Eye sika. Bawumia ntua kra 30 billion OCD so betu amomo.
And there's 3 million cedis.
3 million Ghana cedis. Wo de me se ne e ko Bawumia ho nkwana no. Ana ne e kokoko other places akufo ado hwan pedifo ahodo omo bejeje. Ejiwe no. Omo sika omo de national election no omo anya ago. Na gato boys ya come on 50 Ghana ni ade so on e je no na me ka say o mo bo ho no mo 2000 ka say opie
na opie aka
wo hwe sa de mo we kra wuti mo say amanfo anye den MP ati the money there o mo democratic right democracy anka ye and attack no ka wo nya kwan ko ye demonstration aka you dare not democracy under attack no one nya kwan no akwa ye demonstration at the Jubilee House. Hey,
Supreme Court.
And the Kufuado demonstration be let me go Jubilee House. More traffic go on here, said Jamuma. Share occupy Ghana and penny full cry, yes, eh, or Moko, a ye trade the Omo.
The Kaipa.
Now go forward by Chese, Ayana or Mutibum Gagro. And the first time I did demonstration, I called Jubilee House in you.
Oh, back be a Gabby Sheblousy. Back was at the most time. Not Gabby Sheblouse or the Kobe.
And then, or Muki,
that's my vote count.
No more go.
That's my vote.
I don't know. No more electoral commission. That day, me America. Let me from America about Germany. At Milan, they have pictures starting from here. Can't give you a cheap. We say, hey,
so one for one kwasi asema efi NPP fo so a the NPP fo so am de be no undi adenti NPP fo ka say NPP fo akoya demonstration omo say our democracy is under attack because his secretary John Dramani Mahama has decided say promises dear or catch the Ghana for during the campaign time no he is never going to fulfill it. Na momo no ultimate fulfilling and so if you are a Ghanaian and you have no right to talk about it. Don't criticize if any say na ban no obi beka say nya criticism na NPP for criticize na emom no e atem didi o den yo criticism because whilst an NDC for opposition no, it's not only Kelvin Taylor from Sami Jemfi to the last person in the NDC whilst no more opposition no communication na ya atem didi na no more communicating
Adorye, share my main cousin much low. Penny for boo baby say Penny bonny or ten fuma and qualarin and canon. Ye can carry for account be. And I answer Yabo aquada and sending me open quasia. Penny honey the aquada dini. Who say, when you need a Dr. Bawumia, you are older than him. But Jimmy inti and I want to be a leader. Ye nunti na ama ye do be ye ma o costande for pon Katamanso as an NPP MP parliamentary candidate or reporter because almost show nim na e form wejimi why say obeba bontia be ka say obi enim no to abama NPP a ne nipa nche se adwe nyankopon de ma no wo anyisu adwe na yesi nipa na ejimefo ene wo ye ejimefo first class wo ye ejimefo first class wo se ado man kai mchiro obi ensu o Ghana ha Ghana nya odia ena Ghana is bigger than you. You are totally fool. NPP is not your own. You came and meet NPP. And you know, sao nkwasi asem keka na okeka no. Obedwene ho a dwene ho ye. Why? If you are out from NPP, na say NDC no akodwene a, go straight to them. But men gina bontin enkeka nkwasi asem bia beba utirim. Because man who say when you but wait me, won kanya asem bia. How come? So Baba Bonta can say Obi Obetua by NPP Biano 2028. Then the person is useless. He don't use the sense that God gave to him. Or hey, who you Jimmy for first class or who this statement you grab out. Who are non crown will be in our cancer statement in the crown. It's a total rubbish. You were a total fool if you don't know. Nonsense.
Criticism no more criticizing and I do not attempt. It is NDC NPP for so criticizing in attempt form and now you criticism. Miss me to me Cameron Simmons the president na attempt say be or you say hey mean to me because John Dramani Mahama his excellence or me fianka mepe. Na mom na nado so wo me fianka mepe broso. Se mo atimi adi na nado attempt de obi so NPP mo no so na komanya on so be di Mahama attempt bi. Odi na attempt mo se mo akwache. Adanya amudi attempt. Say or criticizing. Criticism no so ade NDC for mo ye no. Wo ye wadwen say or criticize attempt di na bedi because and some ekoso wo man mu no fewer prices. Chese be bia na me no mo ka kire yen se entokwa ekoso e wo hefa. Just na Russia na Ukraine to kwane de ene na ewo Accra heya nti ese affected na de ntokwa ekoso nti fewer prices akoso amode hye ntokwa no na do chese onye nipa enye di go memu dollar rate NDC force and the dollar of 12 and so abusuafo me no ka say we 100 cedis e de ko market so de gba pesin pa enso and NDC for no to radio so no mo kan kwasi asem we 100 cedis abetumi edi ni 2 days e wo Ghana hanka ye kasa inde aduano ntimi nto no wadi enyema na ado wo so dollar rate was 17 cedis na ye tono at a lower price and the dollar was 12 but ye tono at higher price yakokan DC force that obedie then people for a demonstration Hopeson Adorye to radio say Bawumia na or finance program no and anado so ka ho bi kwasasa na okeka Ghana farm and reply e bi na e go screen so no yentie ese man people for na bi so aka de actually Hopeson Adorye
no kire sen e no kire sen wo ya titi obekwa adwuma 8 am no wapon sei uwie ya na Captain Smart so abehye ho no so aye no so ko Captain Smart pon yo yes wo run atade ya na sami dem fi so abehye ho 133 me pa to me na me ka sa asem uya na NDC for na mo tron kwase asem de bre nyankopon tua moka ko se nyame na me ka ye sa fe na de asami dem fi kan ye ma wo de koto abama no no abesi watru mu se eye nkwase asem no kan ya enye me kai o koto abaye kan ye nyawo ekufu ado awia Ghana sike ni na esuni etua wo ka ekufu ado ne sabe ni nia kan ofori atane Bawumia no wo mo asesa Ghana sike ni na adi enso nurse ni etua wo doctor ni etua wo lawyer ni etua wo abaye djuma ye ni teacher ni etua wo wa wo to eburo ni ama 1000 Ghana o maina ni ewie musika no ekufu ado kro no ni na no de momma na sabe ye na wo mu ko free education wie ye bedi atam no no de omu ko school said ye be yo metumi akenkan no ma be ye bibi abai no de omokro no onwi obi asika Muhammad yo ye holy yo ato is forcing wo mu ni ska na so ye ntumi ntua kan sika no we Oniska atofas ndi oniska nanso isika ni ho but abane da so je tax aban ne da so ton gold aban ne da so ton cocoa aban ne da so ton sa ne amani na erudite me say afen na NDC for nankasa me where you truthful when you repeat some of the campaign things you mo kan na afen na ya na ebom tom say yes so ade ye keka nkwase asem papa na we ni na ye kan I no mo power Captain Smart be kwa nopa opie ya na ye titi she ho ye titi free wa na sami dem fi so ye den e start do mo ka kire ye no sa pepe no mo ka kire ye e ma ne to Ghana ni trim say we can operate a bank here. A provision has already been made to still conduct operations at odd hours, which is online banking. NDC for said there be. Or say there be. Nyemom. Yanko tina tro 2 a.m. Na ma me okwan am ayi mi ko yiska opon global ayi branch SIC yo yankwe. Na NDC for akronfo no so omo no omudwuma omudi ano omo ya akronfo enti no debi omo babia omo foster environment akronfo betumi awi ade mo omo apenso na de kwase baaye ye kwase nipa mebo a fa bag bra fa phone bra ne omo atwa blade mafobo blade samokai omo ye abayfo akronfo enti no they always create avenue for people to steal. Because I'm robbery ni thievery na person kosura. How the hell are you telling citizens to bank at 2 a.m. physical banking? Sabe Silicon Valley kura omo ya banking eyi. Hollywood ya omo kura wamunda Hollywood ono kura no. Ya banking 24 hours. But ye ton san kwasi ade we de magane ni a osi o ye PhD holder. Na ye nya Martin Kpebu Professor Eyi aggressive kissa. Me do ya me fe wano mana pai. Jampo. Wa ya no ho ayidiri sebe akekaduru ya se ne bottom. Ya ton ye nyansa na ye kosua ye na ye de kire nkoda de no. Yes politics nti ya to anu agu abonten. It's a good policy pa. Oh 24 it's good. You know President Mahama want the youth to work. President Mahama will what about TV3 now? You know, Alfred, you know, let me make this point clear. You know, as a country, you know, the youth must work. And President Mahama, you know, as you can see, everything here is one. Your demonstration, nipa 10 point to me, Martin Kpebu, your demonstration, nipa 10 point to me, and Casa Papa, we, Nanimu, Nyam, sentiment, coding the Chinian Koyazay, your own fan demonstration. Martin Kpebu kwa demonstration no ye ne Ghana ye chatra mo boys ne say yempe ye cha lombo sachet ye say yempe cause ye krasisem na papa na eka no ye jare mani be gina ha oh the police are here people come outside nobody will do you anything please come and demonstrate with me we have to sack Bawumia and Nanado because that time no the obi person o tia ne say Bawumia and Nanado na ye beba Martin Kpebu kwasi asem ni nyansa wo ninti or commander squad yamba. Obi said the voice of Martin. I yes, I know Casa. Meboa. Nansaya excuse one who betini. And yes, I know we better Casa. Alfred, you know, I don't want you people to think it's because it is me. But what you must know is that this OSP, he's not working with the law. You see, this OSP, he's who else in a boa. Emi a wone de Martin Kpebu come to join ya sebe ye de aba no. But what's your position?